Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. This is my bonus all attendee giveaway for my October 1st, 2022 World Card Making Day event. So let's get started. I use the products from the Texture Chic Suite, so including the pattern paper and the stamp set and the coordinating die set. They're found on page 98 and 99 of the annual catalog. So here is my sample that we're going to be creating. I also use these scallop contours dies. This scalloped, the largest rectangle, I used to cut the pattern paper out, and I have the leaf die, or the leaf pattern right there. A few more things I did ahead of time was I processed the Mango Melody card base through the Painted Textures 3D embossing folder, through the Big Shot, the cardstock piece, and then that piece right there as well. And let's see, what else did I do ahead of time? I die cut a whole bunch of leaves. So the leaves that I could die cut ahead of time. So in the gold distressed paper, it's gold on one side and one on the other. A couple of petal pink and a couple in Mango Melody. So I already have those die cut. So let's do some assembling while we're working on moving some pieces off our workstation. So this pattern paper pack has got a pattern for every season. It has flowers, seashells, leaves, and snowflakes. So I'm using the leaf pattern today. I cut the Mango Melody paper down so it fit the inside of the frame of the scallop. So it measures 1.5 by 3 3/8 inches. If you're working in metric, it is 3.8 by 8.7 centimeters. Okay, next up I have a little bit of this scrap pattern paper, and you can see it's scrap. I've got a score on there, so I must have had to cut down a card base that I had scored to make some mats. So it's just gonna go right there. This measures, it's soft succulent by the way, 1/2 inch by 3 inches or 1.3 by 7.5 centimeters. All right, now I think we need to do some stamping. Let's work on the inside piece and our 2 leaves. So we've got these leaf stamps. One is a full impression and one is an outline. So for this type of stamping, you want to ink up your stamp, stamp off, and then stamp on your cardstock. And then take the stamp that has the veins, full strength over what you just stamped. And that's the inside. And then for the outside, I need 2 of those. Actually, I'm going to do 1 full strength, this one right here. Going to do 1 that has got depth. And then I'll take these over to my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and cut those out and be right back. So I needed to run the same leaf, die cut through twice, 1 on each leaf. And then let's get to assembling. So this larger outline, there's a one that's not as wide and it's a little wider and not as tall. That's going to go on singly. But this narrow, taller one fits over the one I just stamped. Okay. And then I just started assembling. I wanted a leaf swag. And then a gold one next. Which gold one? I don't think it mattered. And I'll have all the stems kind of meet in the center here. So I can put a little bit of glue on the center. That will help all the stems find a spot. Now I ran out of soft succulent cardstock, in my scrap bin. So I picked a complementary color, which is this petal pink. It's in the pattern paper as well. And that one's going to go right there. You can leave me a comment and let me know if you like the petal pink or the soft succulent leaf instead. All right, and then the full strength leaf will go right here. And the skeleton leaf directly down. The petal pink. So just think leaf swag. And then this smaller gold one. Smaller gold one, maybe like right here. All right, and then over the center would be a bow, and I didn't pre-tie. So you'll need to watch me tie a bow. So the way I tie a bow is the angled part is away from me. And my hands are sticky now with glue. Bunny ears loop over loop, and then one loop through the center and pull. And this ribbon makes a nice bow. It holds its shape, partly probably because it's got the metal in there, the gold. And just cut your tail off. Use a glue dot to stick that down. And then my last detail would be to add some sequins. It's from these adhesive back sequins and gems. It's got this soft succulent color. And I did 4 there. I wanted to fill the space. So I generally like to do 3. So let me space those a little evenly, more evenly than I did over there. So we're gonna just do 3. Fill that space a little more evenly. And then I did 1 on either end of the leaves. Kind of bring your eye around the swag. Oh, and my sticky fingers picked one up. There. So I hope you like my Attendee giveaway for World Card Making Day 2022. If you missed it, I'm sure we'll have a great event for 2023, so make sure you get on my email list so you're notified when I hold virtual events like that. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Oh, we got to add our inside. And we'll stamp with you soon. Bye.